Icon 4X4. The pioneers of high-end off-road Restomods, Icon 4X4, founded by Jonathan Ward, has reshaped the classic off-road vehicle market by specializing in meticulously engineered Restomods of vintage Ford Broncos, Toyota Land Cruisers, and other iconic trucks. The company didn't just restore old vehicles, it reinvented them, creating a high-demand niche where luxury, performance, and nostalgia collide. From restoration to reinvention, Ward's journey began in 1996 with TLC, a vintage Toyota Land Cruiser restoration shop. Recognizing an opportunity to elevate the restoration process beyond mere preservation, Ward envisioned vehicles that blended classic aesthetics with modern reliability. This led to the creation of Icon 4X4, where design obsession meets mechanical perfection. The core idea? To take beloved vehicles and rebuild them with modern engineering without sacrificing the original charm. Beyond aesthetics, engineering excellence Icon's builds, particularly the FJ40 Land Cruisers and Ford Broncos, aren't just visually stunning, they're fundamentally re-engineered. Every component is scrutinized and often replaced with superior materials. Cheap plastics are swapped for custom-milled aluminum and steel. Suspension systems receive modern retuning for better handling and comfort. Even seemingly minor details, like the glass, are upgraded to architectural grade with UV and anti-reflective coatings. This level of detail extends to the wiring, which uses high-end Raycom insulation and Deutsch connectors for durability and reliability. Icon doesn't just modify, it overhauls, ensuring that every vehicle meets exacting standards of performance and longevity. A culture of innovation, Icon also embraces one-off projects, demonstrating a commitment to pushing boundaries. The company isn't content with repeating the same builds. It consistently explores new designs and challenges its own capabilities. This dedication to experimentation ensures Icon remains at the forefront of the Restomod market. Icon 4X4 has effectively redefined the classic vehicle restoration landscape, proving that vintage charm and modern engineering can coexist seamlessly. The company's success stems from a relentless pursuit of quality and a refusal to compromise on even the smallest details.